With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question given here is physical properties can be measured, and the options are by changing density of a substance, by changing composition of a substance, without changing the composition of a substance, or by oxidation of a substance. So we have to tell like how can we measure the physical property here. So basically physical property are like physical property, it can be characterized or it can be defined as property. So any characteristic that can be determined without changing the substance identity, the chemical identity. So without changing the chemical identity of a substance. So that is the basic characteristic of a physical property, that by this we can measure the physical property. So first of all, physical property is basically all the properties of matter are either extensive or intensive. So if we talk they are either chemical or either physical, right? So also all these extensive and intensive properties, physical properties are also extensive and intensive. So extensive properties such as mass, volume, etc. depend upon the matter of the that is being measured, right? And the intensive properties such as density, color, etc., they do not depend on the amount of the matter. So both extensive and intensive properties are the physical properties, so which can be measured without changing the we cannot change the identity of the substance, or in other words you can say the composition, the chemical composition of the substance it remains unchanged. So by this, so the physical properties includes like the measuring properties, the physical properties includes melting point, boiling point, the transition of, you can say the transitions of states, that we can change some particular substance into liquid, solid, or gases, or vice versa. Also the strength, the durability, shape, size, color, texture, etc. So these are included in the physical properties. So from these options, we can say, so the correct one is, like we can say this is the correct one, third option, because it is stating that the physical properties can be measured without changing the composition of a substance. And the other one is, like we can say, for changing in the density is not. So density is a physical property, but changing density is not, that is not a particular thing you can use for measuring the physical property. So this can't be the option. Second is changing composition of a substance is definitely not the option. And last one is the by oxidation of a substance. So by oxidation, it is purely a chemical change and the composition will be changed. So this is a chemical property and not the physical property. So this is not the option. So the only correct option here is third one, that without changing the composition of a substance, we can measure the physical property.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.